Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Cloud app not working on Android. If you're experiencing problems with the Cloud app, such as the app not opening, crashing, freezing, or not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple solutions that you can try. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search option at the bottom and go to the search bar. Now simply search for Cloud and select the Cloud application from the search results. Here, check if you see an update button. If you see the update option instead of open, tap on it and wait for the application to update completely. Using the latest version of the app is important because an outdated version can sometimes cause bugs, crashes, and other issues. Once the update is complete, open the Cloud app and check if the problem has been fixed. If the Cloud app is already updated or you're still experiencing the same issue, the next thing you can try is clearing the app's cache. To do this, open Settings on your Android device. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your Android phone, this option may also be called App Management or Manage Apps. From here, use the search option and search for Cloud. Once you find the Cloud application, tap on it. Now look for the Storage option and tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files stored by the app. Don't worry, clearing the cache will not delete your personal data or account information. After clearing the cache, go back and open the Cloud app again. In most cases, updating the application and clearing its cache can help fix common problems such as crashing, freezing, or the app not responding. So, if the Cloud app is not working properly on your Android device, make sure you try both of these methods. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.